Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to connect your Govee lights to Apple Home on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure the Govee Home app is installed on your iPhone. Now, open the Govee Home app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, find your light in the app and tap on it. Look for Add to Apple Home or HomeKit integration. This will generate a QR code or a HomeKit setup code. Now, open the Apple Home on your iPhone. Tap plus in the top right corner, then select Add Accessory. Use your iPhone camera to scan the HomeKit code from the Govee app. Follow the prompts to connect your Govee lights. You can assign it to a room, give it a name, and choose an icon. Once done, tap on. Your Govee lights is now connected to Apple Home. You can control it from the Home app, set automations, or ask Siri to turn it on, change colors, or adjust brightness. And that's it. Your Govee lights are fully connected to Apple Home on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.